Hi everybody, now I would like to teach you about the conjunction but. How to use the conjunction but while connecting two opposing events or sentences into one. Let us learn in this session very clearly. Here but is used with the meaning of with the exception of. Okay? Generally we use the conjunction but such as coordinating conjunction in order to talk about a contrast between two opposing sentences. But structure, first event plus but plus second event. This is the structure that we have to follow while connecting two opposing events or sentences into one. For example, he writes slowly, he writes neatly. He writes slowly but neatly. He writes slowly, comma, but neatly. In such a way, we can say number of examples. Okay? Let us say some more examples which are related to the conjunction but, such as coordinating conjunction. Kiran is present, Varun is absent. Kiran is present but Varun is absent. Lata is sick, she has attended school. Lata is sick but she has attended school. He is poor, he is honest. He is poor but he is honest. Sarala is tall, Vimala is short. Sarala is tall but Vimala is short. He started early, he missed the train. He started early but he missed the train. In such a way, you can use the coordinating conjunction but in order to join or connect two opposing sentences into one. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.